Feeling the pinch? Wish you could bring in some extra cash without the hassle of a second job? Buckle up, because today we're cracking open the treasure chest of Fiverr. Fiverr's a global online marketplace where you can offer your skills and services, all starting at just $5. That's right, $5 to unlock a world of earning potential. We'll be diving into what Fiverr's all about, exploring some hot service categories, and showing you exactly how to get started turning your skills into cold, hard cash. Let's do this. Fiverr's a global online marketplace. Imagine a giant digital mall overflowing with people needing all sorts of things done. Here's the exciting part. You can be the seller. Fiverr connects buyers with skilled people like you, offering your skills and services, all starting at just $5. That's right, $5 to unlock a world of earning potential. We'll be exploring everything you need to know to turn your skills into cold, hard cash. Let's dive in. We'll be cracking the code on Fiverr today. We'll explore what it is, dive into some hot service categories where you can shine, and most importantly, show you exactly how to get started turning your skills into real cash. Buckle up, because it's time to make money online. Let's do this. Imagine a giant online marketplace bustling with people needing all sorts of things done. Need a killer website written? A catchy logo designed? Fiverr connects these buyers with talented sellers, just like you. You can offer your skills and services, all starting at just a few bucks. Now, the exciting part. What kind of services can you offer? Practically anything. Here are just a few hot categories where you can shine. Feeling artistic? Offer graphic design, logo creation, video editing, or animation. Social media guru? Help someone else boost their online presence, write website content, or manage their email marketing. A master with words? Fiverr needs writers, editors, and translators to help businesses communicate clearly. Got a captivating voice? Bring scripts to life with voiceovers, explainer videos, or even audiobooks. Remember, this is just a taste. Fiverr has tons more categories waiting to be explored. Find your niche and get ready to shine. Ready to turn your skills into cash? Getting started on Fiverr is super easy. Just head over to their website, sign up for free, and create your profile. Next, it's time to create your gigs. Think of them as mini advertisements for your services. Be clear, concise, and highlight your skills to grab buyer attention. Finally, set your prices. You're the boss here. Start competitive and adjust as you gain experience and build up positive reviews. Before you know it, you'll be earning real money online. There you have it. Fiverr is a fantastic platform to turn your skills into extra cash, or even build a thriving freelance business. Don't wait. Head over to Fiverr, create your profile, and start showcasing your talents to the world. You might be surprised at how much you can earn. Thanks for joining us today. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome ways to make money online. See you next time.